Sleep apnea is usually treated with positive airway pressure, more commonly known by the acronym PAP or PAP. PAP devices provide a gentle stream of air through a nasal mask to keep the airway open during sleep. There are various types of PAP therapies which sleep professionals prescribe for specific reasons. Continuous positive airway pressure, or CPAP, provides one constant level of pressure to splint the airway open and prevent the obstruction and apnea from occurring. C-Flex is a technology that's been added to CPAP devices to provide more comfortable therapy. Flex technology lowers the pressure at the beginning of each exhalation for added comfort. In some cases, the sleep specialist recommends alternative PAP therapies. Automatic positive airway pressure monitors the upper airway and adjusts the pressure throughout the night on a breath-to-breath basis. With bilevel therapy, 2 levels of pressure are used to splint the airway open. A higher pressure is delivered during inhalation and a lower pressure is delivered during exhalation. Both automatic positive airway pressure and bilevel therapy are available with Flex technology.